Hey friends, I know this look different. We are actually outside today. Welcome back to another video. I am finally cleaning up my front porch. When I tell you my porch is Georgia's pollen is underrated. It is so bad, and I had to wait until it's, you know, the trees were in full bloom before I even touch outside. But I cannot take the look of it anymore. I'm like, this is just looking too bad. It just looks a really hot mess. Like when you come on my porch, you're like, okay, I really don't want to see their inside. So I am finally cleaning it up, washing all the furniture on here. I have another set downstairs. I'm actually going to keep this set just so it can go through the seasons. And yeah, so let's get ready to do that. I have my water hose, I have my power wash all set up, so let's get to cleaning because this is really bad. So y'all are going to be with me for a moment here today. If you are new to the channel, my name is Tiana. I love home decor. I love anything that has to do with home, taking care of my home. So if you like this video, please consider subscribing to my channel. You are gonna love it here. Let's get into this video because this patio is a mess. Like, it's really bad. Let's go. When I tell you the condition of this porch is so bad, look at it. That is all pollen. So I'm gonna see how best I can clean this up. It is looking a mess. I wish I had the lighter furniture out here to use, but we are gonna see what we can do, try to get rid of all these bugs, these insects, and just make the home look way more decent. Because outside, I'm telling you, cobwebs, everything, that's not it. So let's get to work. Let me plug this thing up and see. When I tell you this is so dirty, I don't even want to sit out here. I'm not an outside person anyways, and probably that's why it is so bad. So now this is Georgia, by the way, so I have to check to see if there is any insect. There was a bird that was nesting right here. Okay, it looks good. Cobwebs, I tell you. All right, so let's take up this mat and get it cleaned off. If you look like a what? I had to get me some gloves because baby, I just got my nails done on Friday and I'm not about to mess them up. I need to get my money's worth. So let me put on some gloves because I'm about to work. That is no problem. So my front porch is very clean. We washed the windows, my mom dried them, washed the chairs, washed the cushions, everything. I'm about to start putting it together, make it look very homey. All right, so I got these flower pots on Temu that I am gonna use. It's plastic, actually. It's a bronzish gold plastic, very light, and I actually got some packing bubble thing that I'm using to house my plant, because I don't know if I want to do the whole moss thing again this year, because it gets messy and I just don't have the time with the upkeep. So I'm just putting it inside. And then I have these plants that I got from Temu. I actually have the real ones at the front of my house. So I was like, why not mimic and get something like it to put on my front porch. Now what I love about this plant, you can actually use this for all seasons. You can use it for Christmas as well. So I decided to use it now for the springtime and summer and probably Christmas. So you have to be very careful because the branches are actually stapled in. So I'm just gonna leave this plant as so. I like to secure it because the weather is crazy. It gets very windy and I don't want to be inside and the wind is blowing and this comes tipping over. So I like to be very strategic when it comes on to putting up tall pots like this. And I'm just gonna pull some of it out. I'm actually gonna leave it as such. For some reason this bubble wrap is not giving me as much cushion, so I need to find like a bag or something to push in there. Yeah. All right, let's put on the top on this one. Let's get these chairs back in order. So this set is from Wayfair. I'll have it tagged for you all. Had it for a year now. It is very, very sturdy. As you can see, went through the weather. Very good. And water, no issues. This set also comes with a table, which is good. Just a little center table for the chairs. And then I'm going in with this plant that I got from Hobby Lobby. So I'm going in with this layering mat that I got from Temu. I love to use black and white because my home is brick, so the black and white really softens it up. So I'm just going in with this layering rug. This is perfect. So perfect, so homey, so pretty. And on top of that rug, I'm just gonna put back my Hello mat that we washed. And I got this Hello rug from Hobby Lobby. It sheds like crazy, but it gets the job done. And I think eventually I'm gonna have to change it because it sheds so badly. But that's it. I'm keeping right there, very simple, nothing too extra, just like that. And then on my door, I have this wreath that I'm gonna put on the door just to bring in a bit of spring into the house. Let's make sure. Oh, perfect. Oh, I like it. So nice. I am definitely loving how this is looking. Actually exceeded my expectations, which is great. I switched the pots from the white to this color just to change the look. I've had the white pots for a year now, so I just wanted to change it. Eventually I think I am gonna reuse the white pots and probably just put some topiary on top, but for now I think these trees are doing the job. I'll update you all definitely. And love the furniture on my porch. It's just some 2 chairs and a table. This is from Wayfair. I will go ahead and tag that for you all. That's it. My front porch is finished. The biggest thing about this thing is actually keeping it clean. My house is brick, so it's not hard to get it cleaned. So I just love how homey this is looking. I'm just gonna leave it alone. The sun is drying it, which is perfect, and I'll probably come out here and sit down later. I'm not an outdoor person, so let's see how that goes. But yeah, loving it. Thought I was finished. Actually, I have a bunch of these that I'm not using. These I'm actually gonna put them at the bottom of the plant so it doesn't show the plastic that I put inside, because it was bothering me a bit. So instead of putting bags or stuff, I'm just gonna open these, tuck it at the bottom of the plant so it doesn't show. So let me open these real quick. Stick these in here. You will never know. You will never know. Sean. And I'm only sticking it just in case someone comes on my porch and they're like looking, being nosy. It's not showing. But yeah. That's it. Yep. Look at the difference. It looks so much more full. Look at this one versus this one. So much more full and fuller, and the variation, it's popping, because the green with the wreath, perfection. Let me get the others real quick. All right, so let's do the other one really quickly and see what we are working with. They will never know. They will never know, I'm telling you. They will never know. Perfect. Perfection. Perfection. This is what we're working with, y'all, and I love it. It looks like a little forest. I actually really love it. Really love it. Love the wreath. So simple, but it's a screaming spring. I do have those 2 pieces right here that I could use on my back porch, so let's see. But yeah,